we handle the person that walks in to our office and says, I'm forming a business and I really don't know what to do. Should I incorporate? Should I file an LLC? Should I be a sole proprietor? And so we give them advice on the pros and cons of all those business organizations. And then typically we draft the documents to set that corporation or legal entity up, whether it's an LLC or a DBA. So we'll set up the business organization for them from the get-go so that they are shielded from personal liability as much as you can through those types of legal entities. And then also to make sure that they understand the interest that they would have in the business and draw up those documents, because typically you have businesses that have more than one person that are involved in ownership. Not always. Sometimes it's just a sole person, but a lot of times there will be more than one person involved. And so you have to lay out what the ownership interests are. And then you have to also kind of describe and delineate who is going to manage the business and who is going to get the different officers of or titles of officers or directors or managers, depending on the legal entity that is set up. We also do a lot of contract work where we review contracts, where we draft the initial contract and we litigate over a contractual dispute. So I would say those two areas are probably the most common that we handle.